Neville Goddard always told us that the key to manifesting our desires is to imagine them as our present reality. It is to imagine them as present facts, as if they have already happened. But what do we do if we are working hard towards a goal and it still feels out of reach? Well, it is common among people who have been manifesting something for a long time. They are doing their affirmations and visual scenes consistently. If you are among them, then you are close to your manifestation. You don't have to give up. I am telling you this because when you are feeling like this, you are overcoming your present limiting beliefs that tell you that you are not going to have it. All of this is happening because your previous belief system is trying to protect itself against the changes you are making. Sometimes it will feel like it won't happen because your belief systems are intact and trying to defend themselves against your new state of being. It is at these moments that you have to persist. Only then will you get what you desire. It is extremely easy for everyone to affirm or visualize in a comfortable position. But the changes come when you face the difficulties and overcome them. Don't feel discouraged. Just persist in your new assumptions and in your new state of being, as manifestation is nothing more than overcoming our present limitations. Your affirmations and visual scenes help you overcome your past limited beliefs. Just do them. Just stay in the feeling of the wish being fulfilled, as manifestation is just around the corner. It requires you to stay focused. In my experience, when nothing seems to be happening, we shouldn't give up because lots of things are happening behind the scenes that we cannot experience with our physical senses. If we can experience them with our internal senses, then we are on the right path, and we have to stay on the track as it is just around the corner. You don't have to wait for it to happen. You don't have to think about it coming tomorrow or in the future. You have to stop waiting and start claiming it as yours. Suppose you are manifesting a specific person. Claim them as your partner already. Why do you even need them in front of you to claim them as your partner? Even if you are in a relationship with them, they won't be with you 24/7. You would be alone for some time, but they will still be your partner. So, why you are worrying? Just assume they are your partner when sitting alone. In a relationship while sitting alone, you won't think that they are not your partner. You know that they are in a relationship with you. This knowing is due to your assumptions that harden into facts. You have to develop this knowing within you. This knowing can only be developed by overcoming your past assumptions about not having them as your partner. Go all in. Many people go in half-heartedly. They are not 100% committed towards achieving their desire, or they are simply wanting it to happen in the future. Even after telling them again and again that they have to claim their desire as a present fact and just stay in this assumption by constantly imagining themselves, they still go to the wanting phase by repeating that, I do not have my desire, or I want it to happen but I can't. In the past, they left me, can I manifest them? Or when will it happen? All these statements boil down to one thing, and that is, I do not have my desire. This is completely opposite of what you have to do. If you too are repeating such statements, then, my friend, you are doing it all wrong. You are only required to do one thing, and that is to repeat it as a present fact, not as something that is going to happen or as something that you want, but as a present reality. If you are not doing it, then only this is stopping you from having it. No ifs, no buts. Just making this bold statement that, I have it, I got it, I am. For a committed person, there is no failure. You will fail only when you quit. Just read and listen to all the success story, and you will figure out that they never gave up and always persisted from the state of having their desire. You too can have it. Just stay persistent, follow a mental diet, and change your thoughts again and again to match the state of having your desire. Do the guided meditations and play some affirmation tapes at night. It is not hard. It is all about overcoming the present conditioning. Instead of fighting against the evidence of the senses, you claim yourself to be that which you desire to be. As your attention is placed on this claim, the doors of the senses automatically close against your former master, that which you were conscious of being. Listen closely to your invisible thoughts. What do you hear? What are your words implying? That is their potency. What do you want? Name it and rearrange the structure of your mind to imply you no longer desire it, because you already have it. So, I hope you learned something wonderful. Subscribe for more such videos. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.